How to create secure PDF files with Raster Image Printer 12. PDF files can be created with or without security. Creating a secure PDF file allows you to restrict what can be done with the contents of the file. For instance, you can allow people to read and print the file, but not be able to copy any of the text or image out of the file. Common security options include file encryption, file permissions, and password protection. In this video, we will set the security options for creating a 256-bit AES encrypted PDF that requires a password to be entered to open the document and allows only printing and copying of file contents. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the PDF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the PDF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the PDF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to PDF Image Printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile, Adobe PDF, because I still want to create searchable, multi-page PDF files. I just want to enable security options. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Demo Profile, and we'll add with 256-bit AES encryption to the description. On the PDF Security tab, enable Create Secure PDF Files. For this example, we want to apply 256-bit AES encryption. Beside Use this encryption level, drop the box and select 256-bit AES. AES is an improved encryption as compared to RC4. 256-bit AES encryption is supported by Adobe Reader 9 and higher. We also want to configure a password requirement when opening the PDF file. Under Password Protection, enable a password is needed to open the PDF file, and enter your desired password. Use the eye icon to unhide your password. Lastly, we only want to allow printing and copying of file contents. Under Document Permissions, enable Print the document and copy text and graphics from the document. This means that users will only be allowed to print the file and copy file contents. Users will not be able to make changes to the document or add or change any comments and form fields. When you are done making changes, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this profile the default profile used by PDF Image Printer, select Manage Printers. Beside PDF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Demo Profile as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now when you print to PDF Image Printer, your Adobe PDF will be created with 256-bit AES encryption, requiring a password to be entered when opening the document, and only allowing printing and copying of file contents. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.